हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू इंग्लिश विद प्रोफेसर तबस्सुम। आज की हमारी वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस विद यू अ 4-mark क्वेश्चन विच कम्स इन द IPE बोर्ड एग्जाम ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश, दैट इज डिफरेंट साउंड or the odd sound out. You have to pick out the different sound, okay? So let us see the question. Circle the words that sound different with regard to the sound of the bold letters. Means यहाँ पर जितने भी words लिखे हुए हैं उसके अंदर जो भी letters bold है वही letters आपको आगे के दो words में देखना है. For example, the first word is character. So over here यहाँ पर है CH, okay? So you have to notice the CH over here also and over here also. So in three of them, the word character, okay? CH is pronounced as K. Chapter, CH is pronounced as ch, chapter. Achieve, again CH is pronounced as ch. So what is different? Character is different, so you just have to circle character. So by the end of the video we'll have the most repeated questions also, okay? First we'll practice this and later on we'll see the most important questions for the final exams which have been repeated in more than 14 model papers, okay? So if you go through this then definitely you'll score 4 out of 4. Come to the second one. First word is grow. So G, govern, again G is pronounced as G, grow, G, govern, G. But this one is gentle, G is pronounced as J. So obviously gentle is different. Then third one, sit, I is pronounced as E, fit, again E, and right, okay? So right is different, okay? Then brief, diet, grief. So in brief, IE, and in grief, IE is pronounced as same, okay? But in diet, I is pronounced different, okay? So diet is different. Then tough, ghost, rough. Notice the GH, the sound of GH in all the three. Tough, again GH is pronounced as F. Rough also, it is pronounced as F. But in ghost, it is pronounced different. So ghost is the odd one out. Then next one is great. So over here G, gentle G, group G. So what is different over here? Obviously general, because in great G is pronounced as G, and in group also G is pronounced as G, but in general G is pronounced as J. So you just have to notice that whatever word is underlined, you have to see whether that letter is pronounced as same in the next word or not, and you have to see that two words will sound, the letters which have been underlined will be same in two words, and in one word it will be different. So you have to pick out that different one and you just have to circle it. Let's see the next one. Seventh one, press, SS is bold over here. Again stress, SS is bold. Pressure, again SS is bold. So in press and stress, the S sound is same, but the SS sound in pressure is different. It is pressure. J sound is there. Feet and street is the same, but deer is different, okay? It's pronounced as deer. Then cheap, chain, chaos. So over here, ch sound is different. It is pronounced as k. So it is chaos. So ch is pronounced as ch in chain and cheap, okay? Then organ, order, owl. So in organ and in order, the sound is aw sound, but in owl it is different. Then use, us, union. What is different? Us is different. Why? Because the sound of you is us. Okay, a sound is there, but in union and in use the sound of you is y sound. Y use, y union, okay? Next, dread, break, bread. Break is different because ea sound in dread and bread is same, but in break it is a sound. Then exist, exam, exercise. What is different over here? Exercise, because the sound of x is different. Exist, z sound, x. Exam, again z sound, but here exercise, okay? Next, shore, salt, silk. What is different over here? Shore, because the sound of s is different. Salt, it is s. Silk also s, but over here shore, shore sound. Next, easy, s sound is z, okay? S is pronounced as z. Escape, escape, s. S is pronounced as s only, but sand, again S is pronounced as S only. So what is different? Easy, because S over here is pronounced as Z, which is completely different. Next, baggage, luggage, suggest. So what is different over here? It is suggest, okay? Because baggage and luggage, the sound of G is G, but in suggest it is J. Next, meal, measure, meant. What is different over here? Meal is different because EA is pronounced differently over here. Over here it's measure, meant, okay? But over here meal, E sound. Then cart, cat, back. Okay, over here also A is supposed to be underlined. So what is different? Cart. Okay, because R sound, A is pronounced as R. Okay, but in cat and bag it is same. So cart is different. Then student, stupid, study. Study is different. Then ink, island, if. So island, it is different. Okay, island is different. Then dark, day, danger. Dark is different. Fry, cry, tray. Tray is different. Finger, engine, anger. Engine, because G sound is J over here, and in the finger and anger it is G. Then load, road, broad. So what is different? Broad. Just listen to the sounds, okay? Broad. Okay. Rose, chose, lose. So lose is different over here, okay? Then nature, mature, tutor. So tutor is different. Then east, exist, extra. So what is different over here? East is different because E sound is pronounced as E only, but over here it is exist and extra. Okay, so E is not pronounced over here. Then music, must, muscle. So music is different. Then one, orange, ox. So what is different over here? One, because O is pronounced as war, W sound. Then cry, by, many. So what is different over here? Yes, it is many. Okay, why? Because in cry and by, the Y is pronounced as I, but in many it is pronounced as E. Many. Okay, then late, bat, make. So in late and in make it is the same, the A sound is there, but in bat it is a bat, bat. Okay, then bury, fury, municipal. So bury is different because U is pronounced as a, whereas in fury and in municipal it is pronounced as U. Then done, one, done. So obviously one is different because one O is pronounced like war sound, W sound. Crop, clone, drop. So clone is different, okay? The sound of O is different here. Then foot, food, tool. So in foot it is different. The O sound is very short, it is foot. But in food and tool it is long. So foot. Then call, k, cinema, s sound, cute, again k. So what is different? Cinema. Then kite, k sound. No, knife. So in no and knife, N is pronounced and K is not pronounced, okay? But in kite, K is pronounced. So kite is different, right? Then leisure. Look at the S sound, leisure. Sugar, sure. So what is different? Obviously leisure because S is pronounced as year. Then college, garage, marriage. Okay, so, yeah, G. So college, J sound. Marriage, J sound. But garage, garage, G sound. Then arm, about, allowed. So what is different here? Arm. Because over here it is about and allowed. It is same. Then huge, honor, hungry. So what is different over here? Honor. Because H is not pronounced here. Whereas in huge and in hungry, H is pronounced. Then that, think, thousand. So just look at the TH sound. The, that, think, th, thousand, th. So what is different? The, that. Okay, next. Tiny, money, rely. So what is different here? Rely. Okay. Then ant, above, apple. Above is different. Okay. The sound of A you notice. Then read, beak, deer. So deer is different. Mix, box, Xerox. The X sound is different here. So Xerox is different. Then look, book, door. Door is different. Yell, year sound. Money, Y is pronounced as E. Money, many. So yell is different. Then go, to, no. So which is different? To is different because in go and no, O is pronounced as O, but in to it is to, very short. Then laughter, daughter, cuff. So obviously daughter is different here because in laughter GH is pronounced as laugh, fur. Then cuff, cuff. Okay, cuff also is GH is pronounced as fur, but in daughter it is GH is not pronounced as fur. Then dog, done, donkey. So this one done is different because in dog O and donkey O is pronounced the same, whereas in done it is different. Hope, rod, rope. So what is different here? Rod is different. Okay, because in hope O sound, rope also O sound, but in rod O. Then break, great, heat. Heat is different because EA is pronounced as different. Then push, pull, pure, pure. Why pure? Because U is pronounced as yo. Okay. Then earn, earth, each. What is different over here? Each is different because E and A is pronounced different over here. Okay. Then the next one, weak, meek, dear. So dear is different. Then took, door, look. So door is different. This one is repeated, I think. Then suppose, sucrose, super. So suppose is different. U sound is different over here. Then public, pure, tube. Public is different. Okay. The U sound is different. Then through, this, thin. What is different over here? This, because it begins with th, but the sound is the, this. Whereas in through and thin, it is thoroughly, through, thin. Okay. Then yeah, pencil, catch, dance. Which one is different over here? It is catch, because in pencil C sound is different. In dance also it is same like pencil, the C sound, but in catch it is k. Then music, physics, basics. Which is different? Basic. Okay, basic is different. Then loot, cool, flood. So loot, oo sound. Cool also oo sound, but flood, different sound. Utter, utter, butter, fuse. So it is fuse. Okay. So as I said that by the end of the video we are also going to discuss the most repeated questions from the model paper from different sounds. So here are the ones. Sing, bind, ring. Which is different? In sing and ring, ing sound is there, but in bind it is different. Okay. Then area, great, idea. Area and idea is same, great is different. Then strange, energy, get. So G sound in strange, j. Energy, G sound is j. Then get. Then near, bear, fear. So bear. Since, easy, sorry. So notice the S sound. So easy. Phone, no, do. So phone, O sound. No, O sound. Do. Do is different. Use, us, union. So us is different. Thorough, th sound. This, d sound. Thin, again th sound. So this is different. Then link, E sound. Island. Island is different. If. Okay, so island is different. I is pronounced. Sit, fit, right. Obviously right is different. Then rose, chose, lose. Weak, meek, dear. Dear is different. Kite, k. No, knife. So kite is different. That, the. Think and thousand is same, so that is different. Easy, escape, sand. The S sound in escape and sand is same, but in easy S is pronounced as z. So easy is different. Go, no. So two is different. Okay. Hope, rod, rope. So rod is different. Earn, earth, each. Each is different. So these were the most repeated ones.